You feel that tickle in your nose? Yeah, it's coming, but you're outside, people around, and you decide to hold it in. You pinch your nose, cover your mouth. The sneeze stops, but it doesn't go away. Inside, pressure starts building fast. Your body was ready to blast air out, but you just blocked the exit. So all that force turns back inside. That pressure shoots into your ears, eyes, and sinuses. You feel that sharp, uncomfortable hit. Sometimes your ears pop or your vision dims. That's overload, and you caused it. A sneeze isn't random. It's your body trying to clear your airways instantly. When you hold it in, everything stays trapped inside. Dust, germs, irritation, all still there. The right move? Let it out safely, into your elbow or a tissue. Don't block it. Sometimes control is a mistake. The smartest thing you can do is let your body finish.